In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a notebook page in Microsoft Word. If you want to create a simple notebook-style page in Microsoft Word, you can use the formatting and layout tools available directly in Word. This can be useful when you want to create a lined page for writing, notes, schoolwork, or other documents where you want the page to have the appearance of a notebook. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new document. Once your document is open, you'll be working with a blank page that you can customize to create the notebook design. Start by going to the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. From the Insert tab, look for the Table option. Select it to open the Table menu where you can choose the number of rows and columns you want to use. For a basic notebook page design, you can create a table with one column and multiple rows. The rows will provide the horizontal lines that create the notebook-style appearance. Once the table has been inserted into your document, you can adjust its size so that it covers the area where you want your notebook lines to appear. The table provides an organized structure that keeps the lines evenly spaced across the page. Next, you can adjust the appearance of the table using the table formatting options. Click inside the table to display the Table Design and Layout tabs at the top of Microsoft Word. From the Table Design tab, you can control the borders of the table. Keep the horizontal borders visible while removing the borders that you don't need. This helps create a cleaner notebook-style page rather than making the design look like a traditional table. You can also use the Layout tab to adjust the size of the rows. Making the rows evenly spaced will give your page a more consistent notebook appearance and provide a comfortable amount of space between each line. As you make these adjustments, check the page preview to make sure the lines are positioned the way you want them. You can continue adjusting the table until the notebook page has the spacing and layout you need. Once the notebook lines are set up, you can use the page just like a regular Word document. You can type directly onto the page, add notes, or use the layout as a template for your work. Creating a notebook page this way gives you control over the spacing and appearance of the lines while keeping everything inside Microsoft Word. You can also make adjustments to the design whenever you need to create a different style of notebook page. And that's how you can design a notebook page in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.